For the continuation of our report, we have our Apple iOS. Apple iOS is one of the most popular smartphone operating system, second only to Android. It runs on Apple hardware, including iPhones, iPad tablets, and iPod Touch media player. Signature features of iOS include the App Store, where users buy apps and download free software, and emphasis on security, including strong encryption to limit what unauthorized users can extract from the phone, and a simple streamlined interface with a minimal hardware buttons. The second one is Google's Android OS. Android is the most popular operating system in the world, judging by the number of devices installed, largely developed by Google. It's chiefly on smartphones and tablets. Unlike iOS, it can be used on devices made by a variety of different manufacturers, and those makers can tweak parts of its interface to their suit their own needs. User can download custom version of the operating system because large portion of it are open source, meaning anyone can legally modify it and publish their own. However, most people prefer to stick with the version that comes on their devices. Android, like iOS, comes with an application and media store called the Play Store, built by Google. Some phone manufacturers and other organizations also offer their own stores to install software and media. And the third one is Apple Mac OS. Apple's Mac OS, successor to the popular OS X operating system, runs on Apple laptops and desktops. Based in part on the historic family of Unix operating system, dating back to research in the 1960s at AT&T's Bell Labs. Mac OS shares some features with other Unix-related operating systems, including Linux. While the graphical interface are different, many of the underlying programming interfaces and command line features are the same. Signature elements of Mac OS include the dock, used to find programs in frequently used files, unique keyboard keys, including the command key, and the stoplight colored buttons, used to resize open program windows. Mac OS is known for its user-friendly features, which include Siri, a natural voice personal assistant, and FaceTime, Apple's video calling application. The Linux operating system. Unlike many other operating system, development on Linux isn't led by any one company. The operating system was created by Finnish programmer Linus Torvalds in 1991. Nowadays, programmers from all over the world collaborate on its open source code and submit the tweaks to the central kernel software and other programs. A wide assortment of commercial and open source software is available for Linux, and various Linux distributions provide custom user interfaces and tools for installing software onto machines running the operating system. A favorite of many programmers, Linux is widely used on a corporate and scientific servers, including cloud computing environments. Linux can be run on a wide variety of hardware, and it's available free of charge over the internet.